Today we will be watching Bill Nye the Science Guy. Yay! Agents 14, 16, 20. We have an emergency. What is it, boss? There's a hacker at school. They've hypnotized everybody. Your job is to find the hacker and bring them to the principal.
I'm down as soon as possible.
We won't let you down, boss.
Good. I'm counting on you. We can't have any more mess-ups, and don't forget your hypno-proof goggles.
Let's do this. This is worse than I thought. We should figure out who's responsible for all of this. We should start in the computer lab.
Richard, Judy, we have a haunted company. Go take care of them.
Yes, boss. We can't have you here. Leave this place or we'll make you. That was close. Good thing we had these. Freeze, you bad hacker!
Cooper, Judy, where are you?
Don't worry. You'll see them really soon.
It's extremely against the rules to hack computers.
Well,
And it's extremely against the rules to hypnotize your teachers. But worst of all, you've ruined watching Bill Nye for the whole class. That's punishable by expulsion.